Do you want to permanently delete all image media in Grok? You can remove all saved image media in just a few steps. This helps protect your privacy and clears old images that you no longer need. Let me show you how. First, open the Grok app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap your profile picture. Scroll down and go to Data Controls. Here, you will find the option Delete All Image Media. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear, warning you that once your image media is deleted, it cannot be restored. You will see two options, Cancel and Delete. If you tap Cancel, nothing will be removed. If you tap Delete, all your image media will be permanently deleted. So make sure you really want to remove them before continuing. This helps keep your account cleaner and your image history more private. And that's how to permanently delete all image media in Grok on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.